Trey on the beat, yeah.
Welcome for the game, and I will excuse the nerves. Leave your feelings by the curb and say that bullshit for the birds, G's up for all my gangsters, Zans up for all my plankers, check up for all my bankers, need to smoke for all my tankers. Try to tell me calm down, but I can't control my ego. Too much love from my people. Trying to go in the game like Debo, take your girl like it's legal. Shots fired and they lethal. Mine been above the clouds, soaring like a nigga. Trying to avoid all of that hate, since it bring my worry later. My mind been on that paper, I might say thank you later. Too many ways to get pesos, too much hustle, too many payloads, comings and O's, how my day goes, so official, trust me, they don't. I start banger in banner, headline the head, huncho, hit a move when I say so, with my chick, hombre pronto. You welcome for the game, and I will excuse your nerves, leave your feelings by the curves, and say that bullshit for the birds. You're welcome for the game, and I will excuse your nerves, leave your feelings by the curves, say that bullshit for the birds. Still not that dude to fuck with. Topic of discussion. Hit you with the millet, have you leaking like a gush. Been preaching to the choir, they should have been the usher. Put the topping on the cake and leave the track smothered. I'ma hit her with the dick and leave her ass in puddle. She can't control herself, dripping while we cut her. Still all about the check, the old money was nothing. My name still ringing bells in the streets, nigga, we thuggin'. If it ain't about the money, then please change the subject. I'm the hustler of the year, I just appeal to the public. Got hitters everywhere, still not that dude you should fuck with. On top, on coast, still getting to the money. Welcome for the game, and I will excuse the nerves, leave your feelings by the curb and say that bullshit for the birds, Welcome for the game, and I will excuse the nerves, leave your feelings by the curb and say that bullshit for the birds, Welcome for the game, and I will excuse the nerves, leave your feelings by the curb and say that bullshit for the birds, Welcome for the game, and I will excuse the nerves, leave your feelings by the curb and say that bullshit for the birds, Welcome for the game, and I will excuse the nerves, leave your feelings by the curb and say that bullshit for the birds,